The Society for Urban and Rural Empowerment (SURE) took the initiative to host a training course in Yalong West, Jaintia Hills called Composite Training under the aid of the District Social Welfare. 20 self-help group (SHG) partake the training, wherein demonstration and courses were given on manure process production of various such as worm manure, grass manure, soil manure among others, as well as imperative pesticide residues to counter their agricultural cultivation. The training provided is to ensure that the people are made aware of the various existing methods that will help assist their agricultural livelihoods. The training was initiated on the 14th of November and it was graced by the presence and speech of Premri Pale, Kong Snidhar, President of Village Organization, Habanda Jablingdo and others. The training further spread to Lom Trep Nongjingin, West Jaintia Hills on the 17th of November, where at the initial stages of the program, P. Charmang touched on the subject on how liquor has destroyed families and the society as a whole, urging the people of the village to work hand in hand with the concerned to ensure that eradication of such is fulfilled, all for the benefit of society.